In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Microsoft Teams more permanently. If you want Teams to remember your account better and reduce how often you need to sign in again, this process is very simple. The main idea is to sign in normally, then make sure you choose the option that tells Microsoft to keep you signed in on your device. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your device. You can do this through the desktop app or the Teams website, depending on how you usually access it. Once Teams is open, look for the sign in button and click it to get started. Next, enter your email address or phone number associated with your Microsoft account and then click next. After that, enter your password. If your account uses another sign-in method, you can continue with that instead. For example, you may receive a verification code by email, use a passkey, or complete any other sign-in method you've already set up for your account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and complete the sign-in process by clicking next when needed. At this stage, Microsoft may show you a message asking, "Stay signed in?" If you see this prompt, choose yes. This is the key part if you want a more permanent sign-in experience. Selecting yes tells Microsoft Teams to keep your session active on that device, which can help you avoid signing in repeatedly. Keep in mind that this works best on a personal or trusted device. If you're using a shared computer, a public device, or a machine that other people can access, you may not want to stay signed in for security reasons. But on your own computer, this option is usually the most convenient choice. Once you select yes, that's it. You should now be signed in to Microsoft Teams in a more persistent way. In many cases, Teams will remember your account the next time you open it, making access faster and smoother. As a quick tip, if Teams still asks you to sign in often, make sure you're always using the same account and check whether your browser or app settings are clearing sign-in data automatically. But for most people, simply choosing yes when prompted to stay signed in is the step that makes the biggest difference. And that's all you need to do to sign into Microsoft Teams more permanently.